What's up, guys? Welcome back to Leonardo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This is like a more, what would you say, realistic version. I've done the Mutant Mayhem one already, but this looked really good. So I'm on the landscape page, pencil eraser for these. Sketch it out like hit pause if I go too fast. Frowning, real intense looking Leonardo. So we're going to start with this frown shape just over his eyes, right? So we kind of like do a tick, right, and it kind of curves over his eye and down for his brow, right? And this joins like his mask and stuff, so there's all these other fabric phone lines and stuff in there. We do the same thing on the other side, right? These two check marks going in different directions. He's got like another little frowning area inside as well, right? And then you could do some more fold lines on top. So his eyes are in under there, so he's like looking up at us underneath these eyes of his. They kind of go up under the mask a little bit just there. Same on the other side, kind of like these triangular angle shapes. You could do them curved if you wanted, of course, but they are just white, and they kind of join the mask areas. You know, there's all these wrinkles and stuff around them. So the mask itself then goes around his head, right? And it's kind of like we're going for this sort of tattered, beat up sort of fighting Leonardo style, right? So kind of like scratchy line coming across here, and then it like joins the side of the head, curving around his round turtle head. So it goes all the way around like so. And it'll go back around and join these frown sections just here as well. I do like to put some texture and stuff on these, so like dots and stuff. So round head, just curving over like so. And because he's a reptile, you know, you can add like little sort of clusters of circles and textures and stuff on his skin as well. So like just these sort of lines like that. And another sort of frown like on his actual green skin area, like that. So his head then, he's got like round cheeks that come out from here. And this comes in underneath. And goes down to his chin and back up the other side. So his mouth then here, real sort of serious looking. So it starts on that side, ends on this side, and then curves down for that pointy sort of beak that they have. Sort of there. Could have like some lines just underneath there. And then again, you could put like clusters of circles and textures and wrinkles together, just to make them look not sort of smooth, you know. Although we all know he is smooth, if you know what I mean. So neck, quite a strong looking neck, so it goes like down that way, and then the trapezius goes down here. Now his other arm is up, taking out his samurai sword, right? So it goes up this way and back towards the sword. So we can see a strap that goes over the shoulder here, right? It's kind of a leather belt type strap, right? And it comes over a metal ring. like some edge lines and stuff on these. And then shell and anatomy. So we'll get like the front body sort of shell first. So it comes down just from this belt here, and it becomes like part of his chest and everything, right? So it goes down this way, and then around his belly, and it kind of like bumps like that. And then the inside area down there, and then the top of it. Here, and then we have like chest muscles, I guess you call them. But like this, of course, is like, this can have like scars and scratches and all sorts of stuff, lots of textures and like scars and stuff on it. And then we got like roughly some abs, like some ab sections just down here. Right, and then like the side of his body is just like here. So this all goes into a belt, a utility belt just down here. And we got the circle for the L, Leo, just on the belt right here. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle. And then we got like the inner section of this. So it's got like an edge line. So that kind of comes around. And then another. And then we got the L. Like so. Right, and then his belt comes this way. Around there. And this has like buckles and like all sorts of straps and things on it. There's even like bags and stuff here that goes around his back, but we'll just get these in first. Now, you don't have to be too careful, you know, with all this. It's like leather, so it can be quite bumpy, and you know, you kind of let your pen do most of the heavy lifting. Sort of hatching here. Right, and then we can just see like his shell coming that way and across his thigh here, down that way. Textures and lines and stuff on it there. His leg goes off that way. His other leg goes off that way. So we can see shell and then arm. And then his other arm here. We'll do this arm first because it's probably easier. Just get us started with arms. So big round muscle. Big tricep here. He's got a bandage or elbow pad that they have on their arms. And then arm coming down that way with cross-strapped bandage, right? So it's basically roughly you draw it like overlapping that way. White bandage, sort of typical. And we can see like his shoulder going back that way, and it has like a deltoid muscle line there. And then the bicep, sort of front on bicep there down into his forearm. Oh yeah, and the headband, sorry. Oh, I forgot he has these textured sort of fabric things here. Kind of torn on the end. You can do this anyway. just get a flowy sort of situation going on. One and another one underneath. And she kind of disappears just up into there. Rightio. So body and this big arm we got to deal with, right? So his side body on this side here, and it's got like, it's like his shell has a strap or something. So that's like the side of his body. And this comes up to his armpit. So, and there's like his shoulder muscle here. And then this is a big tricep sort of area. And then there's a big bicep here. And this goes down just into his armpit then. And then we have utility belt bag here, like a rectangle shape. With a little pouch, you know. Little button on it. And like, again, where there's green skin, I would put some of these circles just to differentiate it from like the rest. And then like this big shell with some more sort of belts and stuff. So this is like green skin in here. This is shell. And I think there's a bit of shell like here as well. With that leather strap coming over it. There's another little pouch here. And like his scabbard of his sword goes off this way somewhere. Okay, so he's got like a big elbow pad on here, right? So it kind of like bumps and folds. Around like that. Lines on it, like so. Sorry if you can hear noise in the background as well. It's my kids. Noisy house. So this comes up to his hand, right? So we got like his forearm going this way with like some bandage on it. And this like goes all the way up, bumping up around to his sword, which is in his hand here. So it's like his wrist area. And this has like all bandage on it. And then his thumb sort of comes out this way. So the thumb is like, they're real big, thick sort of fingers, right? They're like cartoon big. Sort of like ridiculously big. This is like his thumb. It's like a fingernail, I think, on top. And then the others come around this section, right? So we got like big finger here. And another one sort of just underneath the thumb, kind of. And then big, thick fingernails. Right, and then so the handle of the samurai sword just comes out here. It's got a golden cap, just turned this way. It goes down like that. So then we have like some knuckle lines and things like that. And like Japanese samurai swords usually have these diamond things. Oops, that way. Some like textures and stuff coming in. And then it should come out. Weird. That has to be a mistake. Is that a mistake? Can you hold it that way? Sorry, I'm just the picture I'm looking at like is holding it weird. I'm going to come back to that. I got to think about that one. It's like this comes down but comes through his fingers out the other side, so like you can see his whole thumb. Okay, I need to like look at my own hand. What way is he holding that? Oh no, I guess. Oh yeah, sorry. No, you can. I was just looking at it weird, I think. Right, and then, so yeah, you can see the whole thumb here. And then the scabbard of the, you know, the wrist guard. The scabbard is this thing, sorry. This is like the hilt. It's like a traditional sort of Japanese shape to it. Sort of edge lines like that. And then the sword. You can just see maybe the base of it just here a little bit. And then it goes down this way. And textures on his skin. More bandage maybe. That's brown. That's an elbow pad like this one, I think. Textures as much as you want. Like you could do like big scars on him. You could make him look as gnarly as you want. Blood even and stuff. Real dark. But that's good. Leonardo. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. Fun fact. First memory ever drawing when I was 4 or 5 years of age was Master Splinter from the Turtles. My dad drew it and I couldn't believe it. I was like, how did he do that? And here I am. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.